Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can connect into the App Store, or how to fix cannot connect to the App Store on your iPhone. Let's just open the iPhone right away, and then you just need to access the App Store, or you just need to type into the App Store here. Just go tap it. Now you'll see we cannot do anything over the screen because there is information pop up. There is no internet connection, your iPhone is not connected to internet, and then you just need to blah 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 blah. So it means that we have no internet connections to open this application because the App Store is needing the internet to access them, because we need to reach the website of the application that I gave to us. So here, how to fix it, you just need to slide this side of your screen into the down part to access the control panel, and then there will be like this do button. Go click this Wi-Fi sections, or that is the fastest way, or you can also do another way by open the settings and just open into the Wi-Fi, turn on, and make sure that you got the internet surrounds you, and just go back into your home screen, and that is the first way. But then if those still doesn't work, or the internet connection is like not stable or have limit access, you can just do another way by go open the settings, go back and open your mobile devices, and then you just need to make sure that you turn on your mobile data, and your mobile data is just on. Now go back, and then you just need to open your App Store again, and let's just see the result. And here we go, we already have an access to App Store. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it. Let's meet again into other tutorial.